Screen mirroring. What is it? It's pretty simple, really. Imagine your phone screen. Now, imagine it on your big Hisense TV. That's screen mirroring. It can be your tablet screen too, or even your laptop screen. Whatever you see small, you see big, instantly. It's like having a wireless display for your favorite content. Easy to understand, right? Why is this a big deal? So many reasons. Think about sharing photos from your last vacation. No more crowding around a tiny phone display. Everyone sees them clearly on the TV. Much better. Found a great video online you want to share? Show it to your friends on the big screen. It makes sharing experiences much more fun and engaging. And it's super convenient for many everyday uses. You'll quickly find yourself using it more often than you think. The benefits are awesome, and there are quite a few. First, the picture is obviously much larger. Sound usually comes from your TV speakers or sound system. This means better, fuller audio for everyone to enjoy. It's way more comfortable to watch anything this way. No more straining your neck looking at a small device. Just kick back on your sofa and enjoy the view. Even video calls feel more immersive and natural. It just makes your digital content experience better. Hisense smart TVs are generally built for this kind of thing. They make screen mirroring surprisingly easy to use. Many models have the necessary features already inside, so you often don't need to buy extra boxes or dongles, or go through very complicated setup processes. The technology is designed to be user-friendly. The main goal here is quite simple. Get your stuff from your small screen to your big screen without any major headaches or frustrations involved. Connecting to your Hisense TV. So what devices can you use? Good news here. Lots of different devices can mirror to your Hisense TV. Android phones are a very common one. Most modern Android phones have this feature built right in. Brands like Samsung, Google Pixel, OnePlus, and others. They might call it Smart View, Cast, or Wireless Display. It's a standard feature because it's incredibly useful. You just need to find the right button in your settings. We'll cover exactly how to do that a bit later. What about iPhones and iPads? Yes, they can join the party. Apple uses its own system called AirPlay for this. Many newer Hisense TVs, especially those with Vida U or Roku TV, support AirPlay too. This is a really big deal for all you Apple users out there. It means seamless streaming and mirroring directly from your device. So, always check your Hisense TV model's specifications. If it has AirPlay compatibility, you're all set. You can expect a very smooth and integrated experience. Sharing from your Apple gear becomes super easy. And what about your laptops? Windows PCs can mirror too. Windows has a feature often called Connect, or you might see it as Project to a Wireless Display. This is great for showing presentations, as we mentioned, or even for just having a bigger temporary workspace if you need it. It works wirelessly, just like with your phones and tablets. So if you need to show a spreadsheet or a website to a group, your Windows laptop can easily connect to the Hisense TV. It makes sharing work or projects very straightforward. Before you try to start any of this, one key thing: make sure your Hisense TV and your device are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is super important. I can't stress this enough. It's how they find and talk to each other wirelessly. If they're not on the common network, there's no mirroring magic, so please double check that vital connection first. It's the most common reason why connections sometimes fail to establish. A stable Wi-Fi connection is the absolute backbone here. Alright, let's get into the how-to, starting with Android. It's usually pretty straightforward on most devices. First, on your Hisense TV, ensure screen sharing is on. Or it might be called AnyView Cast or something similar. This option is often an app or in the TV's input settings menu. Then, on your Android phone, swipe down the notification shade. Look for an icon like Smart View, Cast, or Wireless Display. Tap that icon. Your phone will begin to search for available devices. Select your Hisense TV from the list that appears, and connect. Now for iPhones using AirPlay. It is also quite simple. Ensure your Hisense TV supports AirPlay too, and it's enabled in settings. Confirm both your iPhone and TV are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, or swipe up from the bottom on older iPhone models. This opens the control center. Tap the screen mirroring button. You should see your Hisense TV listed there. Tap its name. Your iPhone screen will then appear on the TV. Sometimes a code appears on the TV. Enter it on your iPhone. Next up, Windows laptops. Here's how you do it. On your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, click the Notification Center. It's usually in the taskbar, or press Windows key plus A. Look for a tile that says Connect. It's a quick action. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to click Expand. Click the Connect tile. Your PC will search for wireless displays. Your Hisense TV should appear in the list of found devices. Click on its name to initiate the connection. You might also press Windows key plus K to open this Connect pane. Some apps also have their own built-in casting button. Think of apps like YouTube or Netflix. You've seen it. You'll see a little rectangle icon, often with Wi-Fi waves. Tap that icon, then choose your Hisense TV from the list. The video or audio then plays directly on the TV. This is technically casting, not full-screen mirroring. Casting sends the media stream to the TV. This lets you use your phone for other things simultaneously. Mirroring shows exactly what's on your phone screen. Sometimes things don't work perfectly on the first try. What if your TV isn't showing up in the device list? First, like we said, check that Wi-Fi connection carefully. Both devices absolutely must be on the same network. Seriously, this solves like 90% of all connection problems. Also, try restarting both your device and your Hisense TV. A simple reboot can often fix many strange, unseen glitches. It's the oldest trick in the tech support book for a reason. It frequently works wonders when devices act up. Experiencing choppy playback or significant lag, that's annoying. This is often a Wi-Fi signal strength or congestion issue. If your router is far away or many devices are using Wi-Fi, the network can struggle to keep up with the data stream. Try moving your router closer to the TV and device if possible. Or try to reduce other heavy Wi-Fi usage temporarily. Sometimes changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router can help. Also ensure your TV's firmware is up to date, and that your phone or laptop's OS is current too. What if there's no sound, or sound only plays from your phone? First, check the volume levels on both your TV and your device. Make sure neither is muted or turned down very low. Also, check the audio output settings on your Hisense TV. This is especially important if you're using a soundbar or external speakers. For AirPlay, sometimes you need to select the audio output separately. If you're mirroring a video, ensure the app itself isn't muted, or that its internal volume slider isn't way down. These simple checks can often resolve audio problems quickly. So, that's screen mirroring on your Hisense smart TV in a nutshell. It's a fantastic way to make your content bigger and better. Whether you're sharing photos with family and friends, or watching videos, giving important presentations, or even light gaming, it adds a lot of value and convenience to your tech life. Don't be afraid to try it out for yourself. It's usually much simpler to set up than you might think. Once you get the hang of it, you'll use it all the time. It truly transforms how you interact with your digital media.